T800. This truck's sold. Just changed the block heater on it. Just gotta run it around the block, get it up to temp. Make sure the coolant level's good. Top it up. And customers come and pick it up right away. It's a 10-speed, so when you get to high range, you gotta come back. It takes some getting used to because most trucks are based on like a 9-speed shift pattern. So driving at 10 speeds is a little different. Say they shift like a race car, you gotta kind of shift them real quick. Kenworth always drives super nice. The cabs are just, I love the cabs of these trucks. They're so quiet, their sealing's so good. Shaking here. I think it's just the hold down for the fire extinguisher rattling. So this T800 is sold. It's 2009 Kenworth T800. It's a single steer, tandem drive, 14.6 front, 40,000 rear. This is a factory extended cab. Typically they're just like kind of flat here. This one comes out, so your seat can go back further. Get some more room for your lunchbox and your jacket and whatever in the cab, which is kind of nice. Especially if you're tall, slide that seat back, helps a lot. This is a heavy single frame on this truck, not a double frame. Aluminum rims, nice Goodyear tires. This has a Cummins ISM and a 10-speed transmission. Really nice truck overall. Kenworths are always nice trucks. Interior, nice clean truck. Anyway, this one's heading on the highway right away. He's got about a 4-hour drive in front of him, so we'll pass it over to the customer, and he'll be installing his own grain box on it, so should be a cool project. Thanks for watching.